the company Top Lingo with you and top irregular verbs. Be, was, were, been. Become, became, become. Begin, began, begun. Bite, bit, bitten. Blow, blew, blown. Break, broke, broken. Bring, brought, brought. Build, built, built. Buy, bought, bought. Catch, caught, caught. Choose, chose, chosen. Come, came, come. Cast, cast, cast. Cut, cut, cut. Do, did, done. Drink, drank, drunk. Drive, drove, driven. Eat, ate, eaten. Fall, fell, fallen. Feed, fed, fed. Feel, felt, felt. Fight, fought, fought. Find, found, found. Fly, flew, flown. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Forgive, forgave, forgiven. Get, got, got. Go, went, gone. Give, gave, given. Grow, grew, grown. Have, had, had. Hear, heard, heard. Hide, hid, hidden. Hit, hit, hit. Hold, held, held. Hurt, hurt, hurt. Keep, kept, kept. Know, knew, known. Leave, left, left. Lose, lost, lost. Make, made, made. Meet, met, met. Pay, paid, paid. Put, put, put. Read, read, read. Ride, rode, ridden. Run, ran, run. Say, said, said. Sell, sold, sold. See, saw, seen. Send, sent, sent. Set, set, set. Show, showed, shown. Shake, shook, shaken. Send, sent, sent. Shut, shut, shut. Sing, sang, sung. Sit, sat, sat. Sleep, slept, slept. Speak, spoke, spoken. Spend, spent, spent. Stood, stood, stood. Steal, stole, stolen. Swim, swam, swam. Take, took, taken. Teach, taught, taught. Tell, told, told. Think, thought, thought. Throw, threw, thrown. Understand, understood, understood. Wake, woke, woken. Wear, wore, worn. Win, won, won. And write, wrote, written. Did you enjoy the video? Which verb did you like most? Please hit the subscribe button. The company Top Lingo with you.